Hi friends, welcome back to the big joy of learning with Bijoyji. Today we will see how we can use array formula with the if function and VLOOKUP function with some simple examples. Here we have a table with details of stock, opening balance, received, consumed and balance stock in hand. In this we have a column with reorder level which decides the stock is due for reorder. The last column has to show yes if the stock item balance is due for reorder and no if it is not. For this, we can use the if function, and if the balance in hand column is less than or equal to reorder level column, we will mark it as yes, otherwise no. Since it is the same function throughout the table, let us try passing the cell ranges as parameters to the if function. Google Sheets is smart enough to understand the function and returns the value to the concerned cell where we entered the formula. Now, let us pass this function to array formula and try. The function works wonderfully and returns values to all the cells. Within the array formula, the if function gets the parameter as cell references and returns the results in arrays. Now let us see how we can use the VLOOKUP function with array formula. Here in this table we need the columns one after the other in the order as in the master table. We saw in the session on sequence function, the sequence function return values in array. Let us try passing a sequence function to the VLOOKUP function to get the values in the same order. We will pass this VLOOKUP function to an array formula function since the VLOOKUP will return multiple values to multiple columns now. See how we have achieved the result in multiple columns with a formula in a single cell. If you are wondering how we can pass values to the VLOOKUP function with array formula if the columns are not in order as in the master table, in that case we can use curly brackets to pass the column numbers instead of the sequence function. The curly brackets will tell the function that the values are in an array. There are several other ways we can make use of array formulas. Try it yourself and explore the possibilities. This is Bijoy signing off for now. We will catch up with some helpful, interesting topics in our next session soon. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do it now and press on the bell icon to get notified on new releases. If you feel the content of the video is useful to you, please do not forget to like, comment and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for your time and have a big joy of learning.